Hello, children! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will read simple sentences with CVC words. We will read words with the short vowel sounds. These are words with the sounds A, E, I, O, and We will also learn to read the sight words in, on, above, and under. Repeat the words after me. In, on, above, under. Great job! Are you ready? Let's read. Repeat after me. The ham is in the pan. Now it's your turn to read. Say the word as you see the red dot. The ham is in the pan. Copy what I say. The rat is in the hat. Now it's your turn to read the words. The rat is in the hat. Repeat after me. The cub is in the den. Now it's your turn to read. The cub is in the den. Say the word after me. The hen is in the pen. Now it's your turn. The hen is in the pen. Repeat after me. The cat is on the mat. Now it's your turn to read. The cat is on the mat. Say the word after me. The bug is on the log. Now it's your turn to read the words. The bug is on the log. Copy what I say. The lid is on the jar. Now it's your turn. The lid is on the jar. Repeat after me. The kid is on the yak. Now it's your turn to read. The kid is on the yak. Say the word after me. She puts the cap on. Now it's your turn. She puts the cap on. Repeat the words I say. The sun is above the man. Now it's your turn. The sun is above the man. Repeat the words. The fan is above the wig. Now it's your turn to read. The fan is above the wig. Repeat the words. The bat is above the dog. Now it's your turn to read the words. The bat is above the dog. Say the words after me. The rat is under the mat. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. The rat is under the mat. Repeat what I say. The bug is under the hat. Now it's your turn. The bug is under the hat. Repeat the words. The pen is under the pad. Now it's your turn. The pen is under the pad. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.